Alright, this is a photo of how the universe was made. It's done with just a pencil, no rulers or compasses were helped, and I'm going to take you through it step by step. Now I'm going to do another cross in between this cross. Just going exactly between the lines, straight in the middle. Now I'm going to use a red pencil and go in between the white lines. This will help later with measurements. Okay, there we have 4 crosses, but we're only be using the white ones. The red one's only there to guide us to the beginning. What I'm going to do now is an octagon, and start anywhere you like, say 10mm out, using this red line here as a guide. Then turn to the next part, using this red light as a guide, going from the last point you stopped at. And then just repeat it until it meets on the other side. see they meet at the end. That's how you know you got it right. If you make a mistake here, start again, because any mistakes you make here will be magnified later. Okay. Now, I'm going to draw a line from this cross straight up, do the same. I'll just show you rather than... And then we do the same with the other one, which is this cross here, and we go across the opposite way. What's going to happen is they're all going to meet at a certain point, and that'll give us our next measurement for the square. There you go. I'll just rub it back a bit so you can see. Okay. We still have two crosses. So and then we go with the white. Now what we do is we're going to run a line from this point to the other, make a square. Okay, here's our first square. Then you see there's 4 points of a cross. Start from where the lines meet and straight to the other one, parallel to it. Other side. Okay, and there you go. That's the first stage. What we'll do now is we'll repeat it, and then we'll do the circle on the next stage. Not too big. Every time you do this, it will enlarge double the size. And then again with the other cross, the other square. You can stop when the lines meet. Again. Okay. Now from each point I'm going to make another 2 squares. So from when these 2 lines meet to these, draw a line. Same on the other side. Just repeating what we did before. And again. Okay. Once more on the other side. So alright, now we're ready to start to do the first circle. These two squares, we're going to join the lines across, making an octagon. Just get rid of the lines that went too far. Alright, so we join the lines between the squares. Okay, now we draw lines in the opposite direction. Just from each corner, draw a line about halfway between, and then from the next point, do the same and they should meet. Do that right around, and this will give us the measurements for the circle. There. Okay, just clean it up a bit. Alright, now we get the red pencil. In this gap here, it's a bit small, maybe the next stage on you might see it a bit better, but if you can see this little triangle here, what you do is you get your red pencil or whatever pencil you're using and just stay in the middle of it and then do it section by section, and at the end of it you get a circle. And there you go. Now, I usually repeat this 3 or 4 times, and circles get bigger and bigger, so we'll go ahead and do that. It's okay to pause here.